Wow, how things can change in just a matter of a few hours. Let me explain. So, back to work today. Felt physically a lot better. Still a bit, but certainly a lot better, so that's good. And yeah, spent the day with some great people. Let's be honest, some amazing people. Fun. It's work, yes, but good people, you know, and they, you know, being a smile and all good. And then just in the matter of a few hours, how my whole mood, emotion has just gone dropped. And not quite, but you know, I'll be bluntly honest, pretty damn close to almost feel back where I started a few months ago. Just feel absolutely and it's amazing how quickly your whole mood, demeanour, emotions can just turn around like that. And at the moment I'm feeling very, I'm not being overly dramatic, but I just feel very kind of, I don't really know how to explain it. And this is probably the worst vlog episode that I've ever done, but I wanted to do it just to be honest. And yeah, and I don't know, I just feel so and I'm amazed how some people, and this comes down to a conversation I had earlier about expectations, and maybe I've got too higher expectations of people. I don't know, maybe because often you can maybe think someone sort of say should, that's the worst word in the world, should, but someone sort of perhaps would act in a certain way and then they don't, and then you get kind of feel let down or upset by that, but actually it was your expectation is the problem. It wasn't, you know, they didn't say they was going to do that. And so I say maybe it's my expectations of people, but I'm sort of stunned how some people are. Really am stunned. And it's, again, this is not kind of reaching out for any, it's not quite for help, don't panic, but it's not reaching out for compliments or any of that, but it's, I've always thought I'm pretty much an okay person, and I don't know, I'm getting a bit emotional now, but I'm sort of, I don't know, I'm rethinking it. Maybe I'm not. So who knows? But yeah, it's been a bit of a afternoon / evening. Not evening really, more than afternoon. But it's amazing how things can just turn around and change so quickly. So yeah, unfortunately no kind of exciting funny gags tonight. Not the longest of vlog, but I'm committed to doing a daily vlog, and it's supposed to be uplifting and, you know, how I can help you kind of like realise your passion and profit from your passion, but I also want to be real. And today is, I don't know, it just seems that I've gone back about 50,000 million steps to how I was back November, December. So not great, but it is what it is, you know. It's not about burying it deep or ignoring it. That's what it is. That's how I am, and that's how I, you know, feel, and I just have to work out how to deal with that and kind of turn that around. And yeah, so yeah, hopefully I haven't bored you to tears, you know, but thank you for sticking with me. It does mean the world to me, all you guys who watch and have subscribed. It really does mean a lot to me. I certainly don't expect you to like this video, because I don't even like this video, but yeah, your subscription so far means a lot to me, and I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.